Checking your account balance on Synovus Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the Synovus Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official Synovus Bank website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRT to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, find the Account Summary or Accounts tab in the menu. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 4. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will display detailed information about that account. Step 5. View your balance. Your current account balance will be displayed prominently on the account details page. Review any recent transactions if needed. Now you can easily check your account balance whenever you need to.